Oh, not that one, Mark. Not that one.
Not this one.
This one, Mark. This one. This one.
Oh, the long one.
Yeah,
Oh,
the long
this
one.
Okay, what's
This
the name?
one, this one,
Silwane
this one.
Sengifile
Huh?
Silwane sengifile singisi.
this one, not that one.
Ikhayika sambele.
Can I please ask you what's the name of this thing?
Yabona ke mfana ngithenga lo mlungu.
Ingaka,
Lonke
ingaka.
besiyenda ufuna sifuna sitshele yena. Ha?
Silwane uNkulunkulu wami akubuke ngalana.
Mina lo mlungu
Silwane is enjoying to have you with us. Enjoying your
okay,
company.
That's so nice. Thank you
Yes.
so much. Yeah.
Silwane
Oh,
is
this is
enjoying.
Ngaka.
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 Lokho bathi wena uqalisa sike ngelicembe ngelicembe. Yena ubone duphuna lo mlungu wakho lana.
Silwane ngiyamchazela ngithini ukuthi akaduphule ngelicembe ngale nyoba. Asikahle sidu.
Afunze njani lo mlungu nabe wena kanjani?
Siyawufunza.
Buka
Not everything, Mark.
I'm
No, now it's enough. Let's go. Let's go and cook this. Let's go and cook this.
Waye lo mlungu ucosha la khaya.
Yes, Silwane ngidosa kakhulu kodwa lo mlungu ukahle.
Lo mlungu babuse sekikini ngathi akasikahle lo mlungu.
Ukahle, ukahle.
Okay.
Sorry. Why does this thing? It smells very funny. I don't think we can eat this.
Fana usokuhlekisa uyabona. Ayihlekisi le mfundisi. Bisa la le mfundisi.
Buya kimi, buya.